Alright, today we're going to be replacing a fan motor assembly for pretty standard bathroom exhaust fan. You'll find these in a lot of builds for many years. So rather than replacing the motor, I got this whole piece, and we're just going to be able to pop the old one in, pop the old one out, and pop this new one in. And then I just got a new cover just to make it look clean, don't have to paint the old one. So it should be a simple way to get the bathroom exhaust up and running again. Alright, now we can start with taking the old cover off. So you just pull down on it, and then it's got some little metal clips. So you squeeze one side, get it loose, and then do the same on the other side. Go. It just has these are just tensioned in there. Alright, next thing, unplug the old fan. Just a socket right there, and then it's just held in place by a screw on one side, and then there's clips on the other. So you just take the screw out, and then it should pop right out. Okay, screws out, and there you go. There are those chaining clips. So the new one looks exactly the same. So you can see new one, same clips, all for a screw. So, get the new one into the slots, and then just gonna push it up, put the screw in, now plug it in, and let's try it out. All right, works like a charm. So next we just have to put the new cover on, and we're done. New exhaust fan installed. Okay, so lastly, just a new cover to put in place. So same way as the old one, it's got these retaining clips, and you just pop them in like that, and do the same with the other side, and then just push it up, and we're done. I think that looks much nicer than the old one, and it's a really easy way to fix your noisy bathroom exhaust fan and get it functioning properly again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.